Are you looking for a quick and easy way to deactivate your Facebook account? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step instructions on how to quickly and safely deactivate your Facebook account. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now you'll see an option called Account Center at the very top of the page. Manage your connected experiences and account settings across Meta technologies. Just tap where it says, See More in Account Center. After that, tap where it says Personal Details. And then tap where it says Account Ownership and Control. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Deactivation or Deletion. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles. Just tap on that. And then select your Facebook account. As you can see now, you have the ability to deactivate your account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. Simply tap Continue. And now you have to re-enter your Facebook password for security reasons. So go ahead and do that, and then tap Continue. And on the next page, you have to select a reason why you are deactivating your account. And then tap Continue. So now you'll finally have the option to deactivate your account. You can restore your deactivated account by simply logging back in. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.